Veterans Day. Hey y'all, happy Veterans Day. Shout out to all the veterans out there. It's a beautiful day today. It is day 11 of the HHG riding challenge. We riding all 30 days of November. Let's ride, baby. He's a veteran himself. Oh wow, the accident is on the other side of the highway. Yeah, we are super slow on the opposite side. That's how it goes. Oh wow, cars turn on its side, child. That's crazy. Out here. We riding, look at these huge freaking cruise ships. I want to go on a cruise so bad. Out there in the water. Today is a good day, honey. Yep. We almost there. We're going straight. We almost there. Okay. Yeah, we're going to go straight and make a left onto Collins.
Make left at what?
On Collins Avenue.
Collins?
Collins. Collins. Let's go here. Oh, yes we can. Hey, maybe we can. It looks like we can turn on Collins.
Yeah.
Let's go. Maybe.
Can we go on Collins?
Yeah, let's go back and make a U-turn. Look at the parade. We are on time for the parade. How dope. Oh, I don't know. Can y'all even hear me? Please let my audio be recording right. Okay, Winwood. Oh my God, I'm gonna kill this man. He's crazy. Let's do it. Oh my gosh. Look at him. He got us in a fucking bear trap. Thank you. Thank you. I haven't done this since I did it with Aaliyah. Right here? Oh. Hey y'all, it's your girl HondaHarleyGurl, and we are out here at the Veterans Day Parade. And it's getting started with Winwood. Check out our bikes. Lord, keep our bikes safe. Thank you. Perfect. Hey, moto vlogs, they're doing U-turns. Oh wow, they're gonna do that the whole parade? That's lit. Oh, we're at the beginning, which is nice.
Morning, sir. Morning, Chief. How you doing, sir? All right, sir.
Right.
Rangers out. There you go. Make sure you get my good side.
Right.
That's a Navy ROTC.
ROTC, I see on that show. Junior ROTC.
Yeah. I ain't like to be in ROT at school.
But then you end up in the field anyway? So you end up going to the military anyway?
Yeah, I know. I should have damn joined there.
Right. Y'all, we at the Veterans Day.
They give you an extra rank when you're in the ROTC.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir. What's going on, Chief? Good. All right, sir.
Nice. Happy Veterans Day. We are at, we're on Ocean Drive in Miami Beach. Oh, look at the old school police car. Oh. So of course y'all know I'm recording also. Hey everyone. Oh, we got some dancers coming out. They looking good. Wow.
Old school. Woo!
Is this your school?
Yeah, my old school high school. Booker T. Washington, girl.
All right. Hold on. Terry! Hold on. I'm missing it. What the world? Okay.
Go, girl.
Woo! Go, girls. Yes. Miami Beach. They're having a Veterans Day parade. That's right. Hey, Queen, TB, Tiffany. Only want the good stuff. All right, who we got coming? Mayor. Okay, okay, Mayor. Yes, hello. Shout out to the mayor. Yes.
Navy Junior RTC.
All for the Navy. All right, shout out to everybody in the Navy. I guess they're escorting the whole parade. But that was pretty lit. Sir, may I have a flag? Thank you. Yay. Woo, happy Veterans Day. You want a flag? Winwood?
Oh yeah, thank you, sir.
Thanks.
Ooh, yeah.
I like when they make noise. Happy Veterans Day. Pretty color. All right. Look at the dog. Hey, doggy. Happy Veterans Day. That man said, oh, it's Veterans Day? I didn't know. Nice. What are you getting done, Tiff? I'm recording on my GoPro. Y'all know y'all go see this on my YouTube. Hey, live. Happy Veterans Day to you.
Some of that candy over here.
Right. All right. He'll be back on it later.
Thank you for coming today. Hoorah, hoorah, 75. Happy birthday. Yes, sir.
Out here with Winwood. He's a veteran himself. All right, black soldiers. Hello, hello. And the ladies in the back. Ladies holding it down. Ladies in the middle too. All right, we got some motorcycles. Military Motorcycle Club. Okay, check y'all out. I never knew. Okay, pretty lady driving. Woo-wee. Nice. That's him? Okay.
He works at Harley.
Okay. To ride with them too.
Yeah, no.
Hello, pretty lady. The Marlins game. Jolie, what's up with the Marlins game?
We're gonna boat roll now.
I know that's tiring though.
I can't ride with them now. I ain't got no gas.
Exactly.
Don't die out there.
They would have to push you out the parade.
How you throw it down?
I'm new to this live. I'm trying to get the comments to go down. Go down. Oh, look at the Girl Scouts. I used to be a Girl Scout. So cute. Cadet. I think I stopped at Cadet. I did the brownie. Oh, may I have some? Can I have a peppermint? A couple? Oh, thank you. So I'll take 2 for 1 for my friend. Thank you. Hey, girl. What type of chant is that? Now, I still have my freaking vest from this age. How cute. Hello. Easy 93.1. Extra people will walk on the other side. Where?
Out here with your kids in the parade.
Oh, yes, I probably would do that. I sure will. Yeah, I love parades. T-Mobile, yes. Hey, y'all. Hey. I need a discount, T-Mobile. Even the soda.
All the leaders of the group, the military group, be women. You know what I'm saying? That's
taking over.
I got a fire taking over. Women taking over.
Right. All right. Okay. I live for a great band. Come on, band. The motorcycles were lit. Out here, Wet Willie's. Wow, now look at the original truck compared to the modern day truck. Like 3 times the size, maybe even 4. I know, I like it. Yes, make that noise. Hello, paramedics. Yes. Fire rescue. Sugar, let me trying to get the HondaHarleyGurl out here on Ocean Drive. The parade was so cute. Happy Veterans Day. The kids over there having a good time. Write a letter of gratitude. Oh, how cute. Yes. Hello.
It's all very generous.
Yeah. No,
May I sample?
How are you? First of all,
I'm
happy
well.
Veterans Day, guys.
Yeah.
Happy Veterans
Welcome to
Day.
South Beach. Is that live? Is it on now?
Yep.
Perfect. This is Body Armor's Coca-Cola.
Hi.
Nice.
The #1 beverage in the world right here, guys. Just so you know.
Thank you. Let's try the #1 beverage in the world and
Chocolate coconut, sir.
salute. Happy Veterans Day.
Available at Publix.
Cool. Hi. I'm blessed. Thank you.
Good. So we've got 4 options for you today. You can write a thank you note to first responders, deployed troops, veterans, or new recruits.
Okay.
Up to you. Whatever you like.
Good job. This is awesome. How can I retain that? Cleans my soul, man.
Right. Hey, it's your girl HondaHarleyGurl. I'm out here on Miami Beach with my beautiful motorcycle and my beautiful friend, the veteran Winwood. Say hey, Winwood. Hey, nice. Let's ride, y'all.